Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, today I received the Happy Meal. Yeah, this is the entry number 4, and this entry is from my dear friend Azmah. Yeah, she is from Malaysia, KL. Yeah, thank you so much, Azmah. Your package arrived today, and I just came home lunch, yeah, with friend, and I saw this package on my desk. And I'm so happy and so excited because Azmah yesterday already mentioned she already shared out the package yesterday and very fast arrived. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. And yeah, I have to mention because Azmah told me that she has made me make 3 different style for this challenge, and so yeah, I will submit all this because I in the challenge I didn't list the rules that only one project share, so that yeah, for this case, yes, so yeah, I mean, yeah, I have to say for the entry is no limit for the entries. For yeah, if you you can send, yeah, you can make I mean, just no limit camera. So yeah, who like so I will share Sharina. She had make, I think she had make 3 of different of the cameras. So yeah, I will post all the picture in the group, and I also list, I will entry all the camera that she has made for the challenge. So yeah, and yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I know, yeah, Azmah, she so excited to make all this just like me and Sharina. Yeah, we cannot stop for making, yeah, the different style of the camera. So yeah, you can see Azmah, she make 3 different in the steampunk and the shabby chic. And look at this is her trimmer, and this one is like a gypsy style. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, I will entry all this into the challenge. So yeah, let me to show you. I want to show the shabby chic style first. Okay, and yes, Azmah, she has sent me show me the picture of this shabby chic and others too. I just want to have a surprise, so I asked her don't show me the pictures. And yesterday she has shown me the picture, but I didn't see it because I want to see that in person. Look at this one. You can see all this. Yeah, Azmah, I have to mention, she is a talented lady. She has made all this bitter flower spray for sale, and you can visit her in her Facebook group, I mean her Facebook page, and we pop the link below the description box. So she has custom made all in this kind of the bitter spray. Yeah, I have ordered from her before the bitter spray for my kids. So yeah, who are interested, you can order from her for her. Yeah, she make all these different kind of the bitter spray. So yeah, and look at this is her trademark. All this one, I just love the idea. Yeah, you use this to make include all this bit into the camera. This is very gorgeous. So yeah, you can see she add all these different kind of the bit, and so you use the bit for the button here. And this size is a big size than the template one. So yeah, this one drop out. So yeah, you add this butterfly. Yeah, this is also is her handmade butterfly. So you can see. Oh my goodness, I just love it. You can see the cover. Gorgeous idea. So yeah, and look at this. It's so beautiful. You got to ask the kakak and see your pillow or not. See the bed there underneath. Sorry, yeah, you need looking for her pillow. Okay, so yeah, this is how it look like. and she make this here, and the back here also she added this tiny beaded flower. Oh, her handmade beaded flower is gorgeous. This is just so gorgeous. Look at this. I love the way here. Wonderful, gorgeous. And open up. She also used the waco for the closure, and she make the frame in. She different kind of the flower. So look at this. Okay, just and this different. The size is quite big, bigger than the size that I made. This is so big. Thank you so much. Now I should show you the steampunk one. Okay, so yeah, this is so gorgeous, and I will take the pictures and post into my Facebook page so you can see the details. So the second entry for this, so yes, let me to open. Okay, this is, oh yes, she also, okay, can see she also, yeah, all this is a handmade beaded. You can see she used the brown, yeah, and black. Look at this, and this gear, bronze gear trinket. Okay, you can see this. All this is a handmade bead flower. This is gorgeous, Azmah, and I don't know what this kind of the materials you use for on the top. Oh, sorry, this is the bottom. Okay, this is the brass button here, and you can see she make this beaded spread here. So look at this one. So gorgeous, and she add this for the button here and the front. Boleh panggil uncle. And this one here, this one can yeah, so you can open. Oh, this is a dangle. Sorry, you can see the dangle here. So she add this, all this in the cover. Okay, close this up. This gorgeous, another gorgeous piece, and all the flower, handmade flower. Can you see it? I will, yeah, take the pictures and show you. Okay, and she used this like a felt for the this handle. So then you see this, she, yeah, make, you can see the bead. And this is the black applique here. So you can see she also, oh, this is magnet button. So yeah, she also add this frame. And this, I don't know what kind of the material, like a PVC, like a, I don't know how to call this thing. Yeah, you can see the buttons here. Gorgeous, wonderful idea. And yeah, this, you can see, gorgeous. love this style, and yeah, love the color, the beads, gorgeous. And please hold on a second. Okay, now I'll show you. This is like a gypsy, and she made in the blue, and like a peacock, how to call this, feather. And this one, and this also, yeah, her handmade beaded flower, and this sequins flower here. And look at this, is we use this vibrate like a, I don't know how to call this pattern here. You can see that, yeah, this is the gypsy style, I know. And this one, Yes, and this also removable, and the sequins here. I believe this also you handmade this. Gorgeous. I just love you include all your handmade flower, little flower for this project. And this one, look at this flower here, amazing, right? Yeah. And this one magnet, another frame. So use this like a plastic. How do you print this on? Or this is original, it's like this. Gorgeous. So look at this one, and look at this. See? Oh, 3 of this one. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this. Let me just adjust my camera and show you. Oh gosh, it's really wonderful. And you can see this one. So use this like a plastic mirror in for the frame. You can see dimension, the round mirror. And this one is acrylic, the transparent tip, and this one is like a glass lens. Okay, 3 of this one. I will take the photo and post it into my Facebook page so you can see. Of course, this is my favorite. Oh, it's wonderful. But yeah, because shabby chic is my always, yeah, my forever favorite. Look at this one. Gorgeous. Thank you so much, Azmah, yeah, for your taking your time to make me. I know you won't stop. You still have the mood, yeah, to create more camera. So yeah, thanks again for your entries. Then yeah, I will submit all these to your into the challenge. So yeah, thanks again for everyone for stopping by, and just leave a comment and let me know what you think of Azmah gorgeous handmade beaded flower. Yeah, please visit, and yeah, please order if you interested for her handmade beaded flower spray, anything. Yeah, you can contact to her. With her. And so yeah, gorgeous. And look at this one, and the gypsy, and the steampunk. Wonderful. Thank you so much. And yeah, thanks again for everyone for stopping by. And yeah, I have to mention again, and yeah, the deadline I will extend to December 15, but I will post another video to announce this, because I believe still have entry coming to me, because from out overseas. Yeah, so I have to extend the date. Okay, and thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.